I recently had to return a package to Amazon. Yuck. I'm going to have to repackage it, relabel it, go to the post office, etc. But no, I was pleasantly surprised. It's a little easier than I thought. Here's how to return most packages to Amazon. When you get your item delivered, or if you pick it up at a pickup location, they send you an email. Open the email and click on Your Orders. It shows you the items that you've ordered in the past. On the right, click Return or Replace Items. Check the item you want to return or exchange. It asks the reason for your return. Pick one of the reasons. Add a comment if you want. Continue. Pick whether you want the refund to go to your Amazon account or to your credit card. Continue. Now, instead of the post office, here they show you return locations that will repackage and return the item for you for free. Scroll down to the one you want and check it. Here's a Kohl's store near me in Plaistow, but I'm familiar with the Kohl's in North Andover, so I clicked See More Stores and clicked on the North Andover Kohl's. Confirm your return. They immediately send you a return summary email. Click View Instructions. Click Print Label and Instructions to print out what you need. Then with the sheet you printed out, bring the item in its original packaging to the store. They scan that sheet or your smartphone for the return shipping code, and that's it. They take it from there. Done. You don't have to do any repackaging or relabeling yourself. And it's free. You'll get the refund in a few days. So you end up having paid for the item's postage to you, but not for the postage going back to them. I always prefer to shop at an actual store, but sometimes you can only find what you want on the internet. And thankfully, at least with Amazon and the participating stores like Kohl's, it's easier to return items than it used to be. And it's greener, as they note. Choosing this option helps us reduce packaging and fit more items into shipments, thus reducing trucks on the road. Good luck.